Gosh, guys, it's really really is like this. It's really cold. Not that cold, but yeah. The tornado might happen here in Greenville. It might hit our house. The most important thing is my basketball court. Like, yeah, duh. Basketball court, because I'm just kidding, guys. Yes, I don't want to die. It's gonna be here in Greenville. And Greenville's not that far away from us. It's like 5 minutes away. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Right now I have to redo a video because I was trying to go there, but it's sort of raining and my phone is cracked. So when I'm trying to walk over there, it might like damage it. And the power might go off and I might not do a video and completed it. So if I completed this video, yeah, the power comes off. What are the... Yeah. So I'll try to do it. I'll just cover this up. Yeah. I'm covering it up. Well, you can see the bottom. You can't see me covering it up because... Oh, no. Take it off. Okay, guys. Sorry I haven't made a video like a long time, like a year. I don't know. My gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. This is bad. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Nice. Guys, let's go back inside. My stomach hurts anyway. Need to use the restroom. Let's see, guys. Be right back. I just need to use the restroom. Here, I'm back. I'll just turn on the lights. There you go. Say you're watching on my tablet. Explain yourself. Guys, let's play football. 42. Stand on the height. That went really bad. Okay. I just need to take off this sweater really fast. Okay, guys, ready to do that? Guys, let's watch some TV. Oh my gosh, it turned on by itself. Ah! What should we watch? And oh my gosh. Oh, Sam's gonna be excited and dance. I can put just like and she's gonna dance. Watch, guys, I'm gonna put it on. This might take a while. I'm stuck in the middle. Now it's just saying we have to wait for the theme song. It's really fast, guys. Sammy! Sammy! Let's go! Let's go! See, Sammy's good at dance. I told you could dance to the theme song. What is this?
Listen, guys, this is really important, okay? If Jordan decides to be in my next movie,